There are places that exist beyond the ordinary, where time slows down, where nature and luxury intertwine. Welcome to the Right Mix Ranch, a breathtaking 24-acre retreat waiting to be discovered. At the heart of this sanctuary lies a stocked lake, alive with movement, reflecting the endless sky above. More than just a view, it's the pulse of the land, feeding the lush fairways of your own private 9-hole golf course. Designed to challenge and inspire, this par 30 course is a haven for golfers of every level. An experience as rewarding as it is serene. Tucked within the rolling terrain are 5 distinct residences, each with a story to tell, unique in design, yet unified by their connection to the land. Creating a retreat where family, friends, and possibilities come together. For those who create, for those who nurture, a greenhouse to grow, workshops to build, pastures to roam. Whether for personal escape or shared experiences, every acre is filled with potential. And when the day fades, the sky ignites. Sunsets here aren't just seen, they're felt. Whether you seek a private sanctuary, an unforgettable event space, or an investment in a legacy, the Right Mix Ranch is more than a property. It's a lifestyle, a dream, a place where memories are made and never forgotten. The Right Mix Ranch, yours to discover, yours to experience.